Hola everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who have been following the journey, I just want to say thank you. I'm super appreciative, and I am sorry for the lack of videos the last couple of weeks. My husband and I and my dogs did go to Tennessee last weekend, actually up until this week, and yeah, I kind of lost track of everything just because I really wanted to spend some time with my family, my brother, his girlfriend Zarian, and my new baby niece, Zola. So anyway, yeah, I just kind of got caught up with the family life, and although I really wanted to share all these videos and do challenges and all this stuff with you guys, I just really felt like it was very important to spend some time with my family. Yeah, I really preach that, and sometimes you just have to kind of live in the moment opposed to always having a camera on you, which, you know, I do enjoy doing, but at this time it was very difficult. So today I'm coming back with a new BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is actually for the month of August. I did receive this over a week ago, and my whole plan was to unbox it in Tennessee with one of my brothers, but it did not happen that way, and it's totally okay. So today I'm gonna unbox it. BOXYCHARM, once again, for those of you who don't know, is a subscription, a monthly subscription to makeup and beauty products, self-care, all that good stuff, skin, 5 to 6 whole size products, and it's 21 bucks a month. Yeah, you get it once a month, and it's pretty freaking cool. I love it. So anyway, I'm just gonna jump right to it. This is BOXYCHARM. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm really excited because I feel like I needed a little pick me up as far as beauty and self-care recently. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. There's a little card in it right now. It says totally BOXYCHARM. So yeah, basically they always send you a little card with it once a month. It kind of tells you the products, how much they retail for, and basically a little description of what it is. So I look crazy today, I'm super sorry. My husband and I went to go get a little brunch earlier today at World of Beer, and I'm not gonna lie, I had like 5 or 6 mimosas, so I was feeling really nice about 3 hours ago, and I kind of have like a little pounding headache, but you know what? It is what it is. So I'm opening it up, and it is a beautiful little box. Looks just kind of like this, and let's get started. So the first product I'm gonna go open, it looks like it's from Becca. I don't know if you can see the product, and this is it is a refresh powder. It retails at $39. It says it's weightless powder, sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Let's go ahead and open it. It just looks like that, like I said. Let's go ahead. I just recently, like I said, like I never really was into the whole makeup thing, but as I've gotten older, I'm kind of like, why didn't I appreciate makeup and self-care products and skin and all this stuff sooner? Because it's actually really cool, and I love it all. So it says, keep me close to keep me cool. So it is like a loose powder. I don't think I know how to open this right now. Oh, hold on. I have to open a little tab. Give me 1 second. Oh, shit. Yo, it literally just spilled everywhere. Anyway, I'm back. Okay. I could not get this little thing open, but it looks kind of like this. So I don't think that it really has, let's see what this says, Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It doesn't really say any kinds of shade or anything like that, but this is the shade that it's at. I'm pretty sure if we had like a brush, I would actually be able to kind of show you guys a little bit more of it. But it's like a little sponge. I don't know if you can kind of see. Here's the setting powder. This is something that I could probably put on my face. I'll put it in like right there. So basically, after you're done doing your makeup, your eye look, or anything like that, you kind of set this powder, and it helps kind of make sure that the oily spots are not as oily, kind of helps set your makeup. It's, I really wish I was more prepared for this, because I did not know that we were going to be getting this, but I'm super excited because I didn't need a new one of these. But usually with this, I would actually use either a brush or a little, what is it called, little sponges to put on my face. But this is it. It's really cute. It feels really soft. There's no smell to it. Like I said, it retails at $39, so I can't really be mad at it. The box itself is like 21 bucks, so really right there, that's it. Next thing in the box, from what it looks like, it is by the brand Wander. Okay, and Wander, it says the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty something instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. Oh my gosh, guys, this retail value is 42 bucks. Why? I have no idea, but basically from what it looks like here, it just says gently squeeze tube and release 2 to 3 drops of glow ahead, illuminant face, oil onto fingertips. So I have makeup on my skin, but why not try it anyway? So it says to just kind of put a few drops on your skin. It's supposed to give you like an illuminating. Oh my god. Freaking mimosas. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my skin. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but also fun facts or just a little thing for you to know. When you apply anything under your eyes, you gotta be very careful. So make sure that you use these little fingers because it's gonna dab on it very more sensitively than it would anything else. I don't know if you can even tell a difference or anything like that, but it's supposed to kind of give it a little illuminating look. There's really no smell to it. Kind of smells a little moisturizing, but I'm not mad at it. I think that if you actually were to put this in your makeup routine, it might actually give it a nice hint of illumination, which is nice. Oh yeah, it says on here, brings out the skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity. So basically, it's just highlighting your skin. Luminosity, highlighting, makes you look glowy, dewy. Yeah, that's it. 42 bucks for this bad boy right here. So between the Becca loose powder and this one, this is already at like 65 bucks. The box is 21. It's good already. Put that to the side. Now the next one that I have for you guys is, oh, you know what? Let me skip that one because save that. It looks like it's a mascara. It's by Tarte and it's called Big Ego. So this mascara retails at $23. It is ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and deliver a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. I already have mascara on my skin. Maybe I should have waited to do this box when I had no makeup and try it on, which is what I think I'm gonna start doing from now on. Maybe having no makeup and that way I can put all the stuff on for you guys, but that's not the case right now. So I'm just gonna open it. This is kind of what it looks like. It's this beautiful hot pink mascara. And like I said, it is in the color black. These are what the bristles look like. No smell to it. I really want to try this, but I don't think it's going to do a whole lot of anything right now just because of the fact that I already do have mascara on. Actually, I'm wearing a mascara right now by Tarte. So I will try this on in a future video. Basically, like I said, I'm not really going to be able to show you guys the mascara on my eyes, which I will start doing from now on forward on the BOXYCHARM. So I'm not going to wear any makeup and I'm just going to show you guys everything on my skin. But anyway, on this Big Lash mascara, it actually shows a little bit before of what your eyelashes could look like before and what they look like after. So I will be doing a tutorial or some kind of something putting this in there. That way you guys can see what it actually looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. It looks like these are 2 Glimmer Shadows by Ace Beauty. Here are the colors. Let me see if I can actually kind of put them on. One's kind of like a pinkish, which I love, and the other one's a goldish. So I'm going to go ahead and open them. I'll swatch them for you guys so you guys can kind of actually see what it looks like. Really quick. The gold one is called Ice Latte, and the pinkish one is Cotton Candy. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the Cotton Candy. I don't know why, I never really loved pink like I do now, but now I'm just obsessed with pinkish and rose gold and all that. So that's kind of what it looks like right there. I don't know if you guys kind of see the swatch on my lighting. And then the other one, like I said, it is Ice Latte, and this is the goldish one. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you. Oh my god, these are so pretty, and that's the golden one. So it's still very kind of summery, very glowy, which I love. So yeah, those are them. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Like I said, I really wish I could put them on my eyes, but I'm just gonna hold off and do that. Actually, I have a couple of things in mind for some makeup looks that I'm gonna be doing here coming up, and I'll incorporate those into there. Next up, oh, I'm sorry, hold on. Before I move into that, the Glimmer Shadow Duo, like I said, it's from Ace Beauty or Butte. The retail value of that is $25. It's a high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. Basically, there's no smell to it. They are beautiful tone. I'm obsessed with that pink because that pink almost does have like a goldish look in it. So I really, really like that. Next up, we have the Steve Laurent eyeliner. And this, oh no, I'm sorry, it's not an eyeliner, it's a lip liner. This one retails for 15 bucks. It's a reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is totally magic. we'll see about that. Anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. Let me go ahead and open it for you. Alright, so here is the eyeliner. The lip liner. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in between here. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I don't know if you can see it. That's the lip liner right there. It's very, very pretty. It doesn't really match with what I'm wearing, and I also don't even have a mirror. I wish I would have had a mirror with me so I can kind of show you guys what it looks like on my lips. Let me try to pull up my phone and see if I can wing this. But we'll see. Let me find it. Yeah, it's going to be kind of hard. Yeah, I don't think this is really going to work because of the amount of lip gloss that I already have on it. But like you said, there's a swatch. It's kind of like a brownish golden color. It's really pretty. It's actually kind of more like a fallish color. It doesn't look very summery. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and add these up for you guys just so you know what it actually does retail to, and I'll be right back, okay? I'm back, guys, and I just added everything up, and according to my calculations, it looks like the whopping total of BOXYCHARM for the month of August is $144. So, like I previously mentioned, it's not a bad deal at all. It's 21 bucks a month, and you get 5 to 6 products. They're full size, so it's really, really nice. I do enjoy it. It's just like a little thing you get every month. I am no makeup expert at all. Like, I watch YouTube for makeup tutorials. So, by all means, I'm not a makeup guru, but I'm just kind of like some of you guys, just kind of learning and doing my own thing and experiencing with makeup and self-care and just trying to take care of my skin as I'm getting older and aging. So yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. This video is kind of short today. I just kind of wanted to unbox the charm. I wanted to unbox the BOXYCHARM for you guys because I know I'm kind of behind schedule, and before you know it, I'll be unboxing the September one. So wanted to get back on that. Once again, if you guys have any questions, suggestions, recommendations, anything for the channel, for anything future, let me know. Also, just a quick side note, I have been doing a lot of thinking on stuff on my channel lately, and I really want to kind of focus more on one thing opposed to being all over the place. So just for the future, just so you guys know, from now on out, I'm probably going to be focusing more on just lifestyle stuff, like conversations from me to you guys about my personal life, things that go through my mind, and just things like that, as far as like I said, lifestyle, beauty, self-care, skin products, maybe first impressions on products. That's kind of what I'm kind of leaning towards right now, so I can have more of one focus opposed to being scattered all over the place like my mind usually is. But with that being said, I do plan on possibly here soon, in the near future, starting a family channel with my husband. We plan on eventually bringing you guys more vlogging, conversations between me and him, and just things that we do more family based opposed to just me. So for now, I'm gonna stick to doing this. So keep following, keep sharing, and yeah, let's just see where the journey takes me. And from here on out, like I said, I will post more videos or more information on if and when I do start the family channel. So yeah, thank you guys again for joining and for being so supportive with everything. I really appreciate you guys. Mwah. Ciao and gracias.